9 powerful things that happen to your body when you drink beet juice. Greetings, audience. Get ready to delve into the wonderful world of beetroots. With their enchanting pinkish red hue, it's hard not to develop a fondness for these vibrant vegetables. Whether tossed in salads or added to soups, beetroots offer a unique culinary experience. However, it's essential to note that cooking methods can diminish their nutritional value. Fear not, as we unveil the easiest and healthiest way to enjoy the freshness of beetroot, juicing. Prepare yourself for an exciting exploration of the benefits of beet juice in today's video. Will it enhance your stamina? Can it contribute to weight loss? Join us as we uncover the truth behind these claims and more. Brace yourself for a beetroot-filled journey that may just leave you in awe. Let's begin this captivating discussion and unlock the secrets of beet juice's potential. 1. Reduces blood pressure. Beetroots have rightfully earned their status as a superfood due to their remarkable health benefits. One of their standout qualities is their ability to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Hypertension is a global concern, claiming numerous lives each year. However, instead of solely relying on medications, a simple glass of beetroot juice can make a significant impact. Consuming just 250 milliliters of this juice regularly can have a profound effect on your blood pressure. The secret lies in the high levels of nitrates present in beetroots. When you drink beet juice, these nitrates mingle with your blood, forming a potent compound called nitric oxide. This incredible chemical works by widening and relaxing constricted blood vessels, allowing a surge of blood to reach vital organs like the brain, heart, and muscles. The result? Balanced blood pressure. We're curious to know, what's your go-to homemade juice? Join the conversation in the comments section and engage with our amazing bestie community. Let's share our favorite juice recipes and inspire one another to embrace a healthy lifestyle. 2. Increases stamina. Have you ever wished you could push yourself a little harder during your workouts? Well, with beetroot juice, that wish can become a reality. That's why many athletes make it a point to have a refreshing glass before a game or intense training session. Beetroot juice is a game changer for your muscles, providing them with the strength they need to handle that extra stress. This incredible effect is all thanks to the nitrates present in beetroots. Let me explain further. Oxygen is crucial for your body to perform at its best, and the more oxygen, the better. When blood vessels are constricted, less oxygen reaches the muscles. However, nitrates enhance the oxygen-carrying capacity of the blood vessels. With a generous supply of oxygen, your muscles kick into high gear and perform optimally. In fact, a study discovered that trained cyclists who consumed just 2 cups of beet juice were able to improve their performance by a remarkable 12 seconds. It's time to bid farewell to your typical breakfast juices like orange or apple. Beet juice is the ultimate wake-up call for those sleepy organs. It serves as an excellent pre-workout beverage, priming your body for physical exertion. What's more, beet juice can even aid in weight loss as it contains almost 0 calories, making it second only to water in terms of its weight management benefits. So, why not give beet juice a try and experience the incredible benefits it offers? Upgrade your workout routine and fuel your body with this natural powerhouse. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below, and let's inspire each other on our journey to a healthier and fitter lifestyle. 3. Glowing skin. Not everyone is fortunate enough to have flawless skin. If you find yourself relying on filters to hide imperfections on Instagram, then this information is especially relevant to you. No amount of makeup or skin cream can truly transform the texture and quality of your skin. What you need is an internal boost. Enter beetroot juice, a remarkable elixir that acts as a blood purifier and enhances circulation throughout your body. By improving blood flow to your skin, it becomes more firm and radiant. You'll start noticing visible differences as those pesky dark spots, blemishes, and dead cells gradually fade away. One of the key components of beet juice is vitamin C, which delivers a powerful dose of antioxidants to your skin. These antioxidants work tirelessly to combat signs of aging, keeping you looking youthful and vibrant. As a result, you may find yourself bidding farewell to heavy makeup as your cheeks naturally blush with a healthy glow. Don't let filters and cosmetics be your only solution for skin troubles. Embrace the natural wonders of beetroot juice and unlock the true potential of your skin. Join the conversation in the comments section below and share your own experiences with this transformative elixir. Let's empower each other to embrace our natural beauty. 4. Heart health. Beetroot juice works wonders for your heart health. You might assume that experiencing the positive effects of beet juice on your well-being would take months, but in reality, the results can manifest much more quickly. Your heart relies on the assistance of surrounding muscles to effectively pump blood throughout your body. If these muscles become fatigued or weakened, your heart's functionality could be compromised. Intriguingly, a study has shown that individuals with heart failure witnessed a remarkable 13% increase in muscle power within a mere 2 hours of consuming a glass of beet juice. It may sound like magic, but it's indeed true. The powerful benefits of beetroot juice can rapidly support and strengthen the muscles crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. By incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine, you're providing your heart with the natural fuel it needs to thrive. Join the discussion below and share your thoughts on the incredible effects of beet juice on heart health. Let's inspire one another to prioritize our cardiovascular well-being. 5. Beets dementia. Beet juice is a remarkable elixir for promoting a youthful and agile brain. As we age, our bodies naturally produce fewer nitrates compared to our earlier years. However, beet juice comes to the rescue by delivering an extra dose of these beneficial compounds. Multiple studies have demonstrated that consuming beet juice leads to an increase in blood flow to the frontal lobe of the brain. This area of the brain is associated with crucial functions such as memory, judgment, impulse control, and cognition. By enhancing the blood supply to the frontal lobes, beet juice provides a valuable boost to their performance, allowing them to operate with seamless efficiency. If you're seeking to maintain a sharp and vibrant mind as you age, incorporating beet juice into your daily routine can make a significant difference. Share your thoughts on the rejuvenating effects of beet juice on brain health in the comments below, and let's inspire one another to prioritize our cognitive well-being. 6. Fights cancer. Among the select group of foods renowned for their cancer-fighting properties, beetroots hold a prominent position. The vibrant hue of beetroots owes its existence to a class of compounds known as betalains or betalains, which are soluble antioxidants. These remarkable pigments possess the ability to target and neutralize unstable cancer cells within your body. Referred to as scavengers by researchers, these chemical compounds effectively eliminate harmful free radicals from your system, thereby contributing to your overall well-being. While further exploration is warranted in this area, the existing evidence strongly suggests that beets exhibit potent efficacy in combating breast cancer. Additionally, they hold promise in preventing the occurrence of cancer in the lungs, colon, and liver. As the field of cancer research continues to unfold, the invaluable role of beetroots in the fight against this devastating disease becomes increasingly apparent. Share your thoughts and experiences with the cancer-fighting potential of beets in the comments section below, and let's contribute to the ongoing conversation about harnessing nature's gifts for optimal health. 7. Doubles as blood tonic. Indulge in the coolest way to detoxify your body with the power-packed elixir of beetroot juice. This invigorating juice not only enhances circulation but also stimulates the production of red blood cells. It stands as a homemade tonic par excellence, particularly beneficial for those with low hemoglobin levels or anemia. Make it a daily ritual to savor a glass of this vibrant concoction, especially if you're expecting. The presence of folate in beetroots works wonders in reducing the risk of premature birth and safeguarding against certain spinal conditions. Additionally, if you have plans for a future pregnancy, beetroot juice will help keep you in optimal shape. To enhance its flavor, consider adding carrots, celery, apples, and lemons, thereby enriching it with a plethora of extra nutrients. For an added touch of zest, incorporate ginger and mint, which can effectively alleviate indigestion. Blend all the ingredients together, adjusting the water content to achieve the desired consistency, less water for a thicker texture or a couple of ice cubes for a more refreshing experience. In addition to its rich folate content, beetroot juice offers a wealth of essential minerals that fortify your immune system and promote robust bones and teeth. Iron, magnesium, manganese, sodium, zinc, copper, and selenium are just a few of the remarkable minerals bestowed by this extraordinary vegetable. And let's not forget the star mineral, potassium, which works as a natural remedy for weary muscles and nerves. If fatigue has been weighing you down, a daily glass of beetroot juice can help restore your vitality. Unlock the wholesome benefits of beetroots, transforming your well-being from within. Share your journey of incorporating beetroot juice into your routine in the comments below, and discover the transformative power of this remarkable elixir. 8. Detoxifies your liver. Your liver, the unsung hero of your body, tirelessly performs its duties to ensure your well-being. However, an unhealthy and overburdened liver can pose serious risks to your life. When your dietary choices consist primarily of junk food, your liver bears the brunt of the consequences, leaving it in a state of misery. To alleviate the strain on your liver and promote its rejuvenation, consider incorporating beet juice into your daily routine. Still skeptical? Ponder this: those wild nights of indulgence, filled with excessive drinking and unhealthy eating, expose your liver to toxic substances. Consequently, your liver can become fatty and overwhelmed, leading to detrimental effects on your overall health. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is another concern to be aware of. This condition refers to the accumulation of fat in the liver, even in the absence of significant alcohol consumption. This is where the significance of beet juice comes into play. The presence of an antioxidant called betaine aids in the removal of excess fat from the liver, restoring it to a healthier state. Make a conscious decision to prioritize your liver's well-being by embracing the power of beet juice. Allow this vibrant elixir to cleanse and revitalize your liver, ensuring its optimal functioning. Share your liver health journey in the comments below and inspire others to take charge of their liver's health as well. Together, let's toast to a vibrant and thriving liver. 9. Reduces cholesterol. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is crucial for your overall well-being. However, it's important to distinguish between different types of cholesterol. LDL, or low-density lipoprotein, is considered the bad cholesterol, while HDL, or high-density lipoprotein, is the good one. Fortunately, beetroot has the potential to boost HDL levels in many individuals, thanks to its nutrients, such as flavonoids, which are present in abundance. You might be feeling an urge to rush to the grocery store after hearing all the benefits of beetroot. But before you do, let's address a minor side effect. Beetroot can cause a harmless yet startling change in the color of your stool, turning it slightly red. Although this may seem concerning at first glance, rest assured that it poses no harm. It's worth mentioning that beetroot juice contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can have a less favorable impact on your kidneys. Therefore, it's essential to be mindful of your consumption limits. A moderate intake of these crystals can have a cleansing effect on your body. However, excessive consumption can potentially contribute to the formation of kidney stones. By incorporating beetroot into your diet sensibly, you can harness its cholesterol-regulating properties and enjoy the many health benefits it offers. Share your thoughts on beetroot's impact on cholesterol in the comments below and join the conversation within our community. Let's embrace the power of beetroot while being mindful of its effects on our bodies. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.